If you're tired of slippery tiles, stick around. In this video, we will teach you how to apply our anti-slip treatment for unsealed tiles. Start with your cleaner and maintainer to clean the surface. Shake the bottle. Set the nozzle to stream. Spray the surface evenly. Grab a hand brush and scrub away any dirt or grease. Now rinse with clean water and dry the area thoroughly. Next up, apply the anti-slip treatment. Shake well. Set the nozzle to stream. Spray evenly across the tiled area to cover every part that needs grip. Wait the recommended time suggested on the label and remember, never let the treatment dry on the tiles. Finally, rinse thoroughly with water. Your floors are now safer, grippier, and good to go. Just remember, always follow the instructions on the label for best results. If you need technical advice, reach out to our team and we will be happy to help.